Hello everyone. Today we are going to do angel card reading for the upcoming week. The cards that I'm going to draw are how is your week going to be, what blessings are coming your way, and how your finances will be in the next week. So I have made 3 groups of cards. So this is group 1, the red color, this is group 2, green, and this is group 3, the orange color. So what you have to do is select any one color that you feel attracted to or you are drawn to, and that would be your group. So you can take a moment and ask yourself or ask angels that which group has message for me. Hello friends. So now let's see what message angels have for group 1. And the first card is how your week is going to be. So let's find out. Alchemy card. Wow. Wonderful card. So whatever work and project you are going to do, it is going to be a success. Because you have the power and energy in you. And because of that, even the people around you are going to benefit out of it. Angels are also saying that you will get returns of your hard work that you have put in your projects. It will be in the form of appreciation, money. Mostly I see money coming your way. Money in the form of investments. It could be in the form of clients and customer base increasing, gifts, discounts. Definitely a wonderful week ahead. I also see that you have come a long way and you are getting in your power position. Now let's see what blessings are coming your way. Debts paid off. Wow. So yes, so the blessing that angels are giving you is that a lot of your money debts are going to be cleared. You will get ways to clear your debts and opportunities will come. Money flow is definitely going to increase for you next week. And I also feel you will be able to handle any situation in such a way that you are not going to feel stuck. Situations will not pull you down and you will be able to let go. It's like a heavy burden will be lifted off you in the coming week and you are going to feel light, you are going to feel healed. Definitely a transformation taking place for you next week. Now let's see the next card, which is how are your finances going to be. Successful funding. Great. So whatever projects you are working on or doing, it is going to be funded. So if you have any doubt about how your money will come, angels are telling you to let go of all your doubts. You will get your funds through partnerships, clients, or someone will give you those funds. Your own project is going to give you the returns, is what I see. Your debts are going to be cleared. So looking at the sequence, I feel a lot of things on the money front is going to change for you in the next week. So overall, a wonderful week for you. I hope you like this reading, friends, and see you the next time. Thank you. Hello, friends. Now let's see what message angels are giving to group 2. So the first card is, how is the week going to be? Time to move on. So in the upcoming week, you will be able to move on out of situation where you feel stuck, or if any situation you feel negative or you feel that you're being pulled down by someone. So you will be able to handle it and get out of it. The guidance for you is to move out of that situation. You will get opportunities to move on, to leave behind the old and embrace the new, an opportunity to leave old patterns. I also see a lot of emotional healing taking place for you next week. Angels are supporting and protecting you as you enter the next week. Now, let's see what are the blessings coming next week. Get some exercise. Wow. So, next week, you are either going to start exercising or you are going to start a new fitness training or upgrade your exercise routine. Also, I feel that in the next week, mentally and emotionally, you are going to be very flexible to handle any of these situation, and that is going to make you stronger. So yes, your body is going to be stronger because you are going to push your body to perform better, and even mentally, emotionally, you are going to be stronger. So now let's see what's the next card is telling us. Organize for success. So yes, so I see that you are going to start organizing in terms of money. So this is the money, how is the money going to be? You will be organizing your money by doing some kind of a money management, and you will also be planning how you are going to spend and how you are going to save. So that could be planning your investments, planning your money for the future. So anything and everything around money. And this will also give you the clarity about your money, like areas, like how to proceed with money. It's going to clear out a lot of things for you. This will also be like a stepping stone for you to be financially successful. So that's about it, and I hope you like the reading, and so thank you very much for watching this, and see you next time. Bye. Hello friends. So let's see what the angel has to say for group 3 and what is the message for the upcoming week. So let's find out. Make a wish. Wow, beautiful card. So friends, this card is telling me that you have some kind of wish, some dream, some kind of a business idea is there in your mind, and if you have any doubt about it, then angels are telling you to be confident because there is nothing to worry about. Communicate your desire by talking out loud to the universe. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. Universe is absolutely supporting your wish. Universe is ready to help you. Some of you who are not having clarity will get clarity in the upcoming week. This is about it. Now let's see what the next card has to say. So what's the blessing coming our way? Be yourself. So next week you will be in your true authentic self, and that's the blessing angels are giving you, which means you will be in your personal power. You will be yourself without worrying about how others will judge you or what others will say or think about you. By being yourself, you will expand yourself, your consciousness, and you will come into your personal power. You will be able to communicate your true feelings to others. From this place, you will be able to follow your inner feelings. You'll be able to express yourself and just the way you are. So this is an amazing blessing coming your way. Let's see what financial blessing is coming your way. successful funding again. So this card is saying that you have some kind of wish, some desire, business idea basically, and the universe again is supporting you in this. And the funds you are worried about. So the angels are telling you not to worry about those funds. It will be taken care of. If you feel like taking some kind of an action, then please do take action and start planning towards making that wish come true and to materialize. This card also says that don't pull yourself down because you are into that power position to make things work out for you. So expect funds and be positive. Next week, a lot of changes taking place for you. So I hope you like this video, and this is all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.